The assignment is available in here. So if you do not have the, go. Just that you can get all the source file here, including the note tone. They don't. I did forget to upload the what? The question paper. Okay, the question paper is here. So I just go very fast, step by step. You are going to create a web page and edit a style sheet for super details. Many of the people who will view the web page have very slow internet connection. Keyword here, slow internet connection. So you cannot upload too heavy videos or pictures. Okay, you need to shrink your file size or picture size. The web page and style sheet must work in any browser. All color code must be in hexadecimal. Okay, make sure your style sheet contains no HTML. Okay, so create a new folder called SDS_HTML. So right click, new folder, SDS_HTML. Okay, locate the following files and store them in your SDS_HTML folder. In the exam, in your practical exam, do it in the desktop as well. Okay. So SDS this, SDS.txt and SSD .css. This one, and this one, these three. Move it inside. So now you have these three files in the directory. Okay, done. Open the file sds.jpg in a suitable application. Reflect the image horizontally. So normally I just double click it. And then I just click here, edit image. If not mistaken, I can reflect it here. Yeah, just reflect it horizontally, done. Okay, save it. So done. Save this image as this one.jpg in your SDS folder. So file, save a copy in the same folder, this one.jpg. Okay, now you have this one. Rotate the image, this one.jpg. So click the edit again and rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. So you rotate 90 degrees. This is clockwise. Done. Save this image as this two.jpg in your SDS folder. So save a copy and put it this two. Save. Make sure you save as this two here is mentioned here. Next, crop the image so you click again this one. Now you need to crop. Okay, so that the solid state drive is visible and equal amount of red background on each side. Okay, this image must be square. Okay, so we need to crop it something like this. Something it says same amount. Okay, and it must be a square, so you need to crop a little bit here and hit there. Make sure you crop it square. Okay, 2230 times 2230 is square. Do not distort the image. Okay, I didn't. The hard disk must not be visible. So, okay. Save this image as this tree. So save a copy as this tree. So now you have this. Next one. Resize the image, become 600 times 600. So resize, use this one. 3 dots and resize image. And then is 600 times 600. Okay. And save this quality. Just put 100%. Don't change anything. Save this as this spot in your SDS folder. Okay. So save as this file. Okay. Now I have this file. Okay, so this is the default. Okay, done. Formats. Display the content of your SDS folder showing the folder name. Okay, now you open this one, this folder, and then you go through one by one. Okay. Folder name. Do I have folder name? Yes, I have my folder name here. Image dimension. Do I have image dimension here? No. So you right click on at any of the field name. It can be name, date, modified, type or size. Anyone. Just right click and you find whether you have image dimension here. If no, you click on more and find image dimension. Okay, image dimension. Where is the image dimension? Oh, dimension, sorry. Dimensions. And okay. Now you have image dimension here. Okay, now you have image dimension here. All file names. Do I have file names? Yes, I have file names. File extensions. If you do not have file extensions, you go to the view. No view, view. And then show file name extension. Just take this one. If you untick, you won't get the file extension. So you need to go view, show file extension. Okay, file extension and file size. Yes, I have size. If you don't have, you just right click and then pick the size here. Just right click the top, the title. Oops. All column to fit. Okay. Right click, size all columns to fit. That's it. Okay. If you don't have this, you can just click Control and use your mouse scroll up and down. Okay, you can use your mouse scroll up and down until you get this. Either this one or this one. Either this one or this one. Okay, so put it into evidence tree. So the screenshot this one and then put inside the desktop so it takes time to open. I didn't mute, right? Yeah, correct. Still opening. Why it takes so long? Okay, so evidence tree, just paste on the evidence tree here. Okay, just paste on evidence tree. So this is your evidence tree. In the exam, we only mark evidence document and print out. So make sure you do according to what they are asking. Okay. So finish this one. Next. Create a web page called solid state drive.htm, not HTML. So now I will show you how to use Dreamweaver to do all these tricks, all these things. At first, you must have a Dreamweaver. By the way, I cannot give you any pirated version. So you try your best. Okay. And then the school has the Adobe full version is licensed. And then if you do not have it at home, you can try it in the school PC. So please come to the lab on time, so you have more time to do your work. You need to do your work here. So create new HTML and create. That's it. Now you will get you can either use code, split, or design. If you are in live mode, always change it to design mode. Always change it to design mode. Okay, I will use split first. Okay, the first one, you must always save the HTML first. Okay, solid state drive, and then where to save it? Save it to the folder that you created just now. Save it. Okay, now, then only you start. I want to create a table with 3 rows, 3 columns. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, 3 columns. You just go to design. Here, you insert, click insert, and click table. Then you tell it, I want 3 rows and I want 3 columns, and then I don't want any value on the width and height, and click OK. Now you have the 3 columns and 3 row table. Okay, this web page must work with all browser. Okay, it doesn't matter. You merge the first 3 column. The first 3 column, you just right click, table, and merge. You put an A inside. B is 2 times merge 2 columns. So B, highlight and merge it and put a B. And then C, D, the rest just put in the number. If you cannot click it, okay, if you cannot select the text inside, you can always go to the text here. So this is D, this is E, and this is F. That's why you need to know the code as well. And then you go back to design. You will have your table look something like this. Okay, now, then only you set the pixel 1 by 1. So right click A, properties, and you set the width and height here. So 1400. So you just put 1400, enter, and then 80, and then put 80. If just now I put 1400 and then it become missing, right? Just leave it. Okay? If it missing, just leave it. It doesn't matter. Then you go to B, 800 times 600. So you click on B, the cell B, and then you type 800 and type 600. And then you go to cell C, 600 times 600. Click on cell C and then put 600 and then 600. Okay, now I move this to the bottom lah. Okay, so your ABC is done. D is 400 times 80. So you click on the word D and then you type 480. Okay. E is 400 times 80 as well. So you click the word E, you put 480. F is 600 times 80. So you click on F you put 600 and then times 80. Okay. The good thing for Dreamweaver is once you finish all this, you click the code is auto-generated for you already. So you do not need to type so many things and memorize so many things. Okay? So I finished the table. Each table cell is identified with a letter. Yeah, I did it. And all dimensions are in pixels. Yes, I did it. The letter and the dimension shown must not appear on your final web page. So later we need to take it out. Table, border, and grid line must appear on the final web page. Okay, for table, border, and grid line, we always do it in the CSS. So I will come back to this instruction later. Can you see 11 marks? 11 marks. That you can get 11 marks out of how many in total? 41. So 11 out of 41. Okay, enter cell A SSDs from super disk sales in H1. So, hey, stop talking there. Hello? Okay, you delete the word A and then paste the text you put from the question paper. Highlight the text. Hey, I don't want to repeat later. Boy in the first row, highlight the text, and then under paragraph format, choose H1, which is heading 1. Then done. You can see the code is auto-generated H1 for you. Okay? That's why it will make your life easier. So finish. Cell B, the text from the file ssd.txt. Set the text as style H2, ensuring the original paragraph break are not closed. So you go to the B, you need to open the ssd.txt. Why got this word one? What? This drive. Hard disk drive. Okay, I don't know why it turns to Chinese, but yeah, now no more Chinese. You just copy entire thing, and then paste it in the B and highlight all this text. Okay, highlight all this text. Right click, paragraph and heading 2. That's it. Finish. Can you see your code? It will auto generate for you. Okay, done. Next question. Place in the cell C with the image this fall. So you go to Dreamweaver, cell C, right? Yeah, this fall.jpg. So you delete the word C and then you insert image and then select this fall.jpg and okay. That's it. Add appropriate alternate text to this image. You right click and select properties, which is the one, this one. You put in any appropriate. For example, what is this? This is a solid state drive. So you just type in solid state drive. What you see, you just put it here. What you see, you just put it here. Sometimes you can put the name of the file. It is okay. Okay, done. Stop talking. Enter the cell D homepage in H3. So you go down to cell D. copy and paste, right? Highlight the words, right click and select H3. Okay, done. Enter the cell e-text, contact us in H3. So contact us. In H3. Okay, done. Make this tag a hyperlink to open an email editor ready to send an email to this. Okay. So I just copy this. Okay, do you still remember how to send email in the HTML? So you click the web properties under link here. You type mail to and then put the email address, question mark. Okay, subject title SSD inquiry. So question mark subject equal SSD inquiry. That's it. Enter. So you can, if you don't know, you can always refer back to the code whether it insert correctly. Mail to SDS Cambridge International.org question mark subject equal to SSD inquiry. Okay, it works. So done. Enter the cell F. So go back to F, design view. That's why don't use any live view. Always use design view. Okay, web page edited by followed by your name and candidate number in H3. So F, web page design by followed by your name. Okay, for center number, Wesley is registered as MY961. Okay, please remember this. Today onwards, whatever you write about the IGCSE, always use this MY961. Okay, and then the 4 candidate number, just use your last 4 digit of your use the last 4 digit of your student ID because you will only get your registered number once you register to IGCSE, which is 3 months before the exam. So now you just use your student ID. That's it. But when your real IG, please use your registered number. Okay, and then highlight them. Why? Because it says that set the style to H3. Set the style to H3 here. So right click and H3. Okay. To zoom in and zoom out, just Control plus and Control minus. Control plus and Control minus to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, done. Attach style to this web page. Go to Tools, CSS, Attach, and then you find the style, which is this one. And don't change any import or link. Don't do any changes. I don't know why some of the students so stubborn until the IGCSE exam, they still click the word import. We already told you don't do any changes. Okay. Then you will get the CSS here. Once you attach, your CSS will be here. Okay. Save your web page, done. Open the CSS. So this is the CSS. This is the CSS. In a suitable software, okay, done. Edit this style to meet these specifications. H1, H2, H3, set as Arial. Yeah, correct. If this is not available, Helvetica. Yeah, I got it. Or if neither of these available, then default will be sans serif. Okay, I have it. So the first one, sorry, the first one done. Set the color set to the hexadecimal number, this one. Okay, color. So semicolon, enter. Okay, for CSS, Stop talking. For CSS, please do it this way. Okay, open bracket, next, and then next line only put in your properties, and then color, hashtag, and then put it here. Oh, sorry. 361215. 361215. Okay, so this is the color. For Dreamweaver, they are not user-friendly to CSS, so you have to type it one by one. Centered, align text. Text, align, and then H1, 30-point height. H1, open bracket, font size, 30 point. Point is PT. If they say pixel, then X. If they say percent, then percent. H2, 14 points. So I just copy this and paste it here. I change it to H2. I put 14 here. And H3, 20 points. Copy and paste again. H3, 20 points. Okay, done. All table cells padding. Okay, table cell is TD. Not table, Table cell is TD. So padding set to 15 pixels. So padding 15 pixels. It says pixels. So PX, not PT anymore. No border collapse. Okay, no border collapse. Actually, you just put border collapse. And then put, or you just ignore it, because if no border collapse means don't put anything. It doesn't matter. Okay. And then background color. So body, background color. Why it cannot? Okay. It was a set of hexadecimal number 99 and FF for both green and red component. So you just put hashtag. Okay, and click so RGB, R is 99. G component is FF. And then B component, it doesn't, sorry, 99 is blue color. So 99 is blue color. FF is red and green. So FF is red and green. Follow the sequence RGB. Two letters for red, 2 letters for G, and 2 letters for B. RGB. If you buy television or monitor, they will tell you RGB, RGB, RGB. So 2 letters for R, 2 letters for G, and 2 letters for B. Okay. Blue 99, the rest FF. Okay, done. Okay. Do you still remember that just now I didn't put this? Table borders and grid line must appear on the web page. So you just put table, comma, TD. This is internal, both internal and then border solid. Okay, let's see. Add your name, center number, and candidate number as a comment at the bottom of style sheet. Okay, so comment for CSS is like this. Okay, so put your name, center number, MY96140. Your is last 4 digit. Student ID. Save. Display your CSS style sheet in your software package. Take a screenshot. Okay, sometimes they will ask you copy the code. Sometimes they will ask you screenshot. If you screenshot they ask screenshot, you copy code, or if they ask copy code, you screenshot, 0 marks. Although everything is correct, you will lose like 20 marks there. Okay, so if they say screenshot your style sheet, please screenshot. Okay, control plus and minus to zoom in and zoom out. Screenshot. This is screenshot. Then put it evidence 4. Okay. Next one. Display the web page in your browser. If necessary, resize it. So you go here. Okay, everyone, your eyes, please see my screen. I mean either projector or my share screen. And this is important. This is important. Never use the preview here. Never use the preview here. Important. That's why I need to say it 3 times. Never use the preview here. Okay. So always go to right click the file, open in browser and select Chrome. Always use this method to open your website. Never use the preview. Okay, this is the URL by open in the proper way. If I use the preview, it will show index. It means entire thing is invalid because the URL is different. You must show it is from your solid state drive.html, not index.html. So never use the preview. And then just zoom in and zoom out until you see the entire web page. Okay. Is the question ask us to center the web page? Center the table? No, right? Because sometimes they will ask us to center the table. Okay, if no, then just leave it. All page can be seen, the text can be seen, the address bar. Can you see? You must show your address bar. If not, you won't get marks. That's why never use the word preview. So just screenshot and paste it to evidence 5. Okay, paste it to evidence 5. And last question. Okay, now you see the word is no longer screenshot, but the word is copy. So copy the HTML source and so which is this one, Control A, Control C, and go to here, evidence 6, just paste it. That's it. Okay, because it says copy, not screenshot. And that's it. Finish. So what you need to do today is you follow everything and then submit this evidence document only. I don't want the website. I don't want the website. You just submit this evidence document to the or edit the evidence document in your in your Teams and then submit it and then turn in. That's it. Okay. So I off the wait.